It's the most wonderful time of the year for photography. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm gonna click some Christmas themed portraits for you guys. First of all, I wanna wish you all a very Merry Christmas, as Christmas is just around the corner, and I hope it will be merrier as we're gonna click some cool portraits. Let's start. Ho ho ho!
First, I'm going to use these curtains in front of my window as the background. My light source will be a flash to which I have attached a grid and a ball diffuser. It will be to my right side. I will simply pose in front of the background with a Christmas hat. Click with the remote when I'm ready. Posing against my window. I am wearing a beanie hat and holding a mug in my hand. Perfect kappa for the Christmas. To make it even more perfect, I will drop my exposure such that my face is completely black, because I want the flash to light my face. I have some fairy lights that I use for Diwali. I have taped it to my window. I will use these lights as my background. Now I have created a frame with these lights so I get natural depth in my photo. Again, with the fairy lights behind me, I will make an action of blowing away some lights. Then in post-production, I will take an image of particles from Google. Just place it on top of my image and change the blend mode to screen. Mask out the particles near my face. That's it. Now I have placed the fairy lights on a plain red background. I will underexpose the scene and click. I can switch the camera to manual focus and click an out of focus image of the light to get a beautiful bokeh background. I have made a small Christmas shape in some cardboard. You can make any shape guys. And now I will tape it to my lens hood. Attach the lens hood to my camera lens. Now my lights will take the shape of my cutout. Now we will use the same fairy lights for a cupcake. Take one shot underexposed to just reveal the lights and one shot for exposing the cupcake. Then after merging them in Photoshop, we get a balanced exposure. Another composition with my toy friend Goopy and his Christmas gifts. If I want to avoid taking two shots to balance the exposure, I can use a torch and use that as an additional source of light for Goopy. I will place Goopy a little away from the lights so that I can get a bokeh. And again, I have placed my cutout shape in front of the lens to shape the bokeh.
So guys, I hope you found my portraits to be creative. In case my portraits inspire you to take some more portraits of your own, please tag me on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I will be very happy to have a look at your images guys. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And leave a comment down below about which festival themed photography you want to see next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Christmas video where I did some light painting photography. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.